When creating a sales order in Chaos Control Cloud, it will sometimes be the case that when an item is added, it will turn out to be out of stock. We'll now add an item to our sales order. You can tell by the pink highlight that this item is out of stock. From the item info, we can see that we have a stock level of 1, but it's already assigned to a sales order. However, we do have one on order, and the customer might well ask, well, when is that one due in? By using the Actions button, we can go to the Deliveries Dialog. In the Deliveries Dialog, we can see the expected due date for the item we have on order. However, we can also see that there is an existing back order for this item that this purchase order is due to fulfill, so that in this instance, this purchase order isn't going to help our customer. It's always worth checking this area of the dialog to make sure that the incoming purchase orders are not already spoken for. We'll now add another item to the sales order. We can see that this item is also out of stock. We have a stock level of 5, all of which are assigned to sales orders, but we have 100 on order. We'll green select this item and use the Actions button again to take a look at the Deliveries dialog. We can see that we have 2 deliveries pending for this item of 50 each. We can see that there is only one item on back order that needs fulfilling, therefore we have a potential of 99 that we can use to fulfill the order that we're doing now. Thanks for watching.